Hello everyone and welcome to VLADA'S place. If you're a new gardener and if you are growing zucchini and squashes, you might run into dilemma of determining which flower is a male flower and which flower is a female flower. If your plant is blossoming and you're not getting any fruit, the problem could be in the fact that male flowers blossom before female flowers do. It's actually quite easy to remember which one is male because they have this single protruding part coming from the flower. So if you want to help your plant pollinate, use a Q-tip and get some of this pollen and then transfer it to the female flower. A female flower is usually recognized by the formation of an early fruit and by the different part. And as you can see, this flower has 3 different parts. And we're just going to bring the pollen and we're going to pollinate it to ensure that plant is fertile and it will continue to grow. Manual pollination is just another way to secure the plant is fertilized and it will bear fruit. As you can see, ants are doing the same thing, and bees can also help with this, but I'm taking an extra step just to make sure that our Tahitian squash will bear fruit this year. Now that we have pollination taken care of, the next step is in protecting our plant and making sure rodents don't get to it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing because we have a lot more helpful videos on the way. Thank you for watching, and until the next time, please take good care of yourself and those around you.